In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an anterior foot reach. So firstly, anterior just means forward, and with a foot reach, we're just coming forward with the foot. And what I want to do is just show you what we do with the standing leg, as well as what we want to also do with the leg that's working. So I'm going to come side on for this demonstration. So if my left leg was the standing leg, and my right leg in this example was the one that was doing the reaches forwards, for me to be able to come out, I've got to bend my standing leg, so my left leg in this example. For me to do that, I then have to come down into almost that knee flexion position for me to give and have the range for my right leg, which is going to stay nice and straight, to reach forward into the anterior reach. So from a frontal angle, like so. And what we'd be looking for in this is to make sure that the knee was tracking directly forwards. It's nice to do this in front of a mirror so you get some feedback. It's quite common, especially post certain injuries, especially hip injuries, that people start coming this way with the knee or coming too far out. Have a little guide like a mirror so you know every time you're doing the repetitions that your knee is tracking nice and it's tracking forwards as well. It's a nice one as well to build up that ankle stability as well as your single leg stability as well.